DKL Commercial, an experienced haulage specialist, has strengthened its fleet maintenance capabilities with the acquisition of Totalkare's brand new G9DC Washbay mobile column lifts. Specifically designed for outdoor and washbay environments, the G9DC represents a game-changing advancement in commercial vehicle lifting technology. The Totalkare G9DC Washbay mobile column lift is the first of its kind engineered for reliable outdoor use. Each column is hot, galvanized, and fitted with sealed bearings to provide long-term protection against water ingress, ensuring consistent performance even in the harshest conditions. Like other mobile column lifts from Totalkare, the G9DC is versatile and can be configured in sets from 4 to 48 columns to suit a range of lifting requirements, with adjustable forks to accommodate the lifting of a wide range of wheel diameters. Learn more at totalkare.co.uk.